E350, 3.5L V6 DOHC 24V, 7-speed automatic with touch shift and overdrive, blue, 6-disc CD changer, front dual-zone ARPA, Harman Kardon LGIC 7 digital surround, and HVAC memory. How loaded is this? Just in, this great 2007 Mercedes-Benz E-Class comes with a 3.5L V6 DOHC 24V engine and RWD. This car will take you where you need to go every time. All you have to do is steer. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2007 E-Class 5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality. New car test drive said it.